I was thinking of something different to cook up today, and I thought, what if we make an old school drill melody, like some glow Chief Keef music, and mix it with some new school drums, just something hard and obnoxious. I think the sound could work. I've heard some underground artists using those type of melodies recently, but I want to see how far we can push it. So we'll just experiment with this one and see what we can make. Let's get straight into it. Okay, I think I want to start with a BPM up to like 148, and for those Chief Keef melodies we could use Xenology, Expand 2, some Electra X, or even some Nexus. Could try something like this, and then I think copy that, that works. Just copy that over, do the same here. So that could be the foundation, I think. Really set the tone. We could add some brass bass notes. Every time, man. As soon as you hear those notes, you know it's gonna be some Chief Keef stuff. I'll leave that one out. Now I'm thinking, let's layer those main brass chords with a pad. Even that first one. Maybe one more time, and with this pad, we'll pitch that down. What else does this need? Maybe some strings. Can't really hear them because the pad's taking up a lot of that high end, but might be able to carve out some space. Maybe it's these. Just add some reverb to those. Maybe we could layer those with some plucks or some bells or something. Let's try halftime those though. Maybe this instead. Let's just change the key. We'll try it up one. Maybe there. I feel like we have to get that classic whistle in. If we go to Art Multilayer in Electra X, this is one called Analog Aliens. But we can turn everything off except for Synth 3. And I think we just record something in and freestyle it. Alright, I think this is missing some keys now. Some reverb on that as well. What we could also do with that whistle is just repeat the top notes of the chords we're using. I think I just want some high strings as well. Maybe just one or two notes. Still feel like we need some type of main melody that sticks out. That works. Just the same as the piano melody. Alright, I'm just going to take the low end out and just leave it in that main brass bass. I've just got some of the other instruments EQ'd a bit too. Alright, we've got a lot going on with the melody. I'm just going to see what it sounds like with drums now. Alright, for the drums, of course we're going to use Pyroverse, which is my latest trap and drill bundle. If you want to check this out at any point, I always leave links in the description. But I'm definitely overdue a new drum kit. I want to layer quite a few sounds. go counter snares. Something like this. Maybe roll that one. Man, picking the snare's got to be the hardest part of the beat. I'm using a few different ones. Maybe a hat as well, just for that high end in the percussion. Something like that. And maybe just roll this one up. Let's go to the Sacred Trap Suite. I still use this kit a lot as well. Some of my favorite snares are in here. And claps. Let's grab some open hats. Maybe not that end one, but we'll get a reverse open hat in as well. What if we take that old school trap crash as well, just to get a blend of those older sounds too. Alright, let's get the 808, man. We'll start off with the spins, but we're going to use some log drums and go a bit wild with it. And these ones in my Pyroverse bundle are always my favorite to use. Yeah, here we go. So yeah, just kind of going back and forth between all these sounds. Something like this. Seeing as though I'm not really thinking of placements, I'm just having fun with this one. Let's grab another 808. Bring these up to match the brass as well. And then maybe one more log drum for that last note. Fancy sound, imagine. Maybe right at the end there, we could just turn this into a slide. I'm gonna pan those log drums as well. You know what though, let's just have the log drums after 8 bars. Alright, maybe in this part we could switch things up again. So we could mute the 808 here, maybe that main snare. Let's just try some more unique sounds. Alright, now I'm hearing a snare roll right before the kick comes in. Alright, we're almost there, man. So we just created an automation clip for the melody bus, which is all the melodies grouped together. Because where that snare roll comes in, just want to see what it sounds like with the melody muted. I'll have to stop that crash as well. There we go. now I just want one more section, so we'll copy this over. And at this part, maybe we can bring this 808 back in. Yeah, and then I think we can go back to the first part. Make some cuts like this. I think right at the end as well, just for a couple notes. For the drop, we'll bring this 808 back in. See what it sounds like dropping back in. This might be the craziest beat I've made in a while, man. For the intro, let's just bring this in. And then right before the drop, I'm just going to add a tape stop. Alright, I'm doing a lot to the drums here, man. So let's hear it from the beginning. See how many layers there are.
Cactus.
Bass is insane. It's log drums too. Got this verse. Switch up sounded crazy. Let me know in the comments if you think this combination works. Yeah, I hope you guys are feeling this one. If you want to watch more videos, just like it or click up here. Or to check out the sounds I've been using, the links in the description.